Hey, welcome to Kiffer's Place. On my way to detail a 1927 Model A. The white wheels are in pretty bad shape, so we're going to try this product. I don't think I've ever used it before. I've used bleach white for the white walls. They're in pretty bad shape and need some loving. So we're going to use this Duragloss white wheel cleaner, and we're going to see how that goes. And not sure what else I'm going to be doing to this thing. We'll see when we get there. But it looks in pretty good shape. The paint looks like it's been painted before. It's silver, so should be pretty interesting. Let's go. Alright guys, so yeah, here we go. We got this white wheel that's pretty messed up. We just want to get it back to get a lot of the surface stuff out, just to get it kind of white again. It's not going to be brand new, but it's going to be good. So we're going to use this Duragloss white wheel tire cleaner. Never used this stuff before. It's like a bleach white type of product. So we're gonna go ahead and see how this goes. I'm gonna go ahead and use we're gonna use the blue Scotch pad here, since it's not as abrasive as the green ones. It should help us cut into this. So the first thing you want to do is, while it's dry, you want to spray it while it's dry, so that the chemical can get in there and do its thing. And we're gonna let it sit, let it do its thing. You're gonna dip this and get it wet in your bucket. Got a bucket of water here. And then we'll go ahead. You can see that it is starting to break up this up the dirt that's in here. And just go around. It's looking a lot better. Okay. Gotta say, I'm pretty impressed with this stuff. Working pretty well, actually. It's breaking down a lot of the dirt that was in here. This is definitely an old tire. Been sitting a long time from what the owner told me. Just keep going over it and over it. All right, so now it's all foamy. After I scrubbed it, I'm just gonna let it sit on there, and I'm gonna go ahead and spray my non-acidic wheel cleaner here. I'm gonna hit it with a brush. Dip it in some water. I'm just gonna brush around it.
All right, so I'm going to show you the difference. Look at that. That cleaned up very good. I'm very impressed with this product. Definitely impressed with it as compared to that. That definitely looks a hell of a lot better than what it was. I'm going to say I'm impressed with this stuff. Duragloss white wheel cleaner does a pretty good job. All right, I'm going to go ahead and do the rest of the car. All right, guys, so since this paint isn't that bad, it's not in that bad a condition, I'm just gonna go ahead, I rinsed it off and I'm gonna do a waterless wash on it. I'll post the product in the description. It's the McGee's waterless rinseless wash system. And I'm just gonna I have it in this bucket here, and I'm gonna go over it with this and just do the whole car. Alright, so obviously this car is old and you're going to have some mold from sitting in a barn or garage for so long. So what I'm going to use is a product called ChemSafe Germicide. I'll put a link. The stuff's strong. You mix it like 32-to-1 roughly, but I'm going to start off and spray this before I apply any kind of dressing or protectant to this seat. So we're just going to spray it pretty liberally. Hold on, baby. My sprayer is leaking. And then we're just going to take our brush. This isn't like bad mold or anything, but this chemical will kill it. Always good to maybe wear a mask when you're working with mold anyways, but I'm not, because I know this stuff isn't too bad. We'll let it dry before I apply any dressing on here. And I'll be using the same dressing I used on the roof. The Finishing Touch by PDP. Alright. Stuff dried pretty quickly. Alright, let's go ahead. Spray our rag here with our dressing. Get some good coverage on it. Stuff shines up really nice. And there's actually solvents in here too that actually clean as well as shine and protect. This is why I love this stuff. And it's not sticky. Look at that. Very nice, very nice. Cool, and that's how we'll tackle that, and I'll do the rest of the car like that.